Welcome back to 515 Garage. Got a short little video for you today. Picked up some new turn signals. See, these are cracked and super faded and dull. This one's not even in there, but this is what they look like now. And then I got these brand new lights that were, I think, $50 on eBay, so I'll give you a link in the description, but I'm gonna do a little unboxing and review of these guys. So we got a lot of packing peanuts. Let's take a look at these guys here. They come in this sealed package. Alright, there they are. Crystal clear. And they, as you see, they come with this wiring loom and these screws for installation. So there's a little comparison for you. So I'll get these in there, take these two screws out, unplug this, and I'll show you what they look like. Alright, so I got the new headlights in, the new Depot Amazon headlights. You can see there's the before, there's the after. Super crystal clear. Changed the whole look of the front of the car. Also, Marshall's back.
I'm back, bitches.
It's been like a month, but alright.
For now, anyways.
We got all of the old suspension back in, so it's riding pretty high now. And yeah, so the next thing we're probably going to do is paint the valve cover or something similar. We got some more ideas.
Oh, and stay tuned for how to plastic dip your grill. Turns out the Taurus needs it done again.
We got a new grill,
Yep.
so we're going to plastic dip it again and make sure it's perfect.
Yep, we'll show you guys how to do that the right way without fucking up.